plenty of bag room. Ooh, I hope I'm in here. Ooh, I just banged my knee. I like this. I can actually move my feet. It's not like Aerosmith.
Headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket. Well, okay. I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Oh boy.
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
I think we're jumping back.
Holy crap!
We get that all the time. Let me try.
Oh, that's cool.
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Liberty, get your star blasters. We haven't contained, but not for long. Hard world, perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
Locking coordinates for Echo.
It's epic. Time to raise our rate.
Yay! Woo! How you doing?
You really think
That was amazing.
you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That was crazy. You got everything out of your pocket? I meant the front pocket. Wow. Woo, if I had hair, it would be like somebody had just blow dried my hair.
Hashtag Cosmic Rewind hair.
Whew. That was crazy, nutballs. I like all the practical props they have there. I've stood 4 hours. Thank you. I guess this is where you do your cosmic rewind here to make sure everything's good. Yeah.
Fine. Hey, luckily we have a ponytail. Have a great
Hey,
day.
thank you. Woo wee!
What just happened?
Oh no. Okay, let me